My name's Audrey and I'm studying Level 3 Engineering at the Olive Grove College. I actually wanted to be a personal shopper, which is quite embarrassing because I wasn't quite sure what it was. I thought it was quite cool, just buying things for people, I guess. Well, I used to watch a lot of Robot Wars and things like that with my older brother because there were quite a lot of guys around when I was younger, so I started getting more interested in more things like that. For my GCSEs, I did triple sciences, product design. I did fine art and drama, English and maths, Audrey. It's just the thought that you can look at something and just know everything about how it's made and how it all came about, because usually it's easy to just pick up a product and think, oh, that's cool, but I want to know why they chose certain materials and things like that. I went to Munich and we went to the BMW factory and we saw them making the cars. We couldn't take any pictures or anything, but it was a great experience because you really saw all the things you taught about in the lessons in real life and how it actually works. I made an ECG that you can wear for more than 48 hours. You can take it off and have a shower and all the normal things, but it was basically for people with a history of maybe strokes or heart disease in their families. And what it does is it keeps all the information logged into the system, and the chip reacts to any abnormalities that happen, and it sends a signal to the hospital and they'll just check up on you to make sure it's not full or if you're alright, things like that. Maths, which is quite shocking because most of it is maths, but you learn to love it after a while and you get used to it. In my class there's only one other girl. In the year before there was another girl. She says there was another one as well in her class, but there's not a lot of us. It's not as bad as I thought it would have been back when I was a bit younger, because they just understand that you all have the same goals and things like that, so you get along more because you have a lot of things in common. I was shocked. I didn't think I would have gotten it. It was a great help because it helped me with a lot of transport as well at the beginning of the year, so that was very useful. I'm working towards doing maybe robotics engineering or mechanical engineering in the future, and I hope to maybe go into the prosthetics side of the research of robotics. Don't listen to what other people tell you about engineering. It's not all grease and muck and boys being rude or anything like that. It's actually so much easier and it's better for you because you stand out from the crowd and there's not many of us out here.